All right, let's talk about multiple views of the same file. So take, for example, let's go with something like, let's try this guy right here. So we've got a joystick controller, we've got half of a joystick controller for a gaming system. And if I want to see multiple views of this model at the same time, if you go to the View ribbon tab on the Windows panel, there's a New command. What this does is it opens up a new view of that same file. So if you look across the bottom, I've got the exact same file open with two different views. So maybe I'll set this one to that view orientation. And I can use the ViewCube as well if I want perfect alignment. Create another new view and I'll go with the side. Actually, I'll go with that one. And one final one. And for this one, I'll do, let's do this end like that. So if I want to see all of them at the same time, I can use the arrange icon and I can see all four of the same file. So this allows you to get that different view angle of each one, and you can see those model changes. Anything you make, you can see it from different angles all simultaneously. And then you can close out each one of them that you don't want to utilize anymore. And again, it's all the same file.